Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to order your Tesla Model Y. First, navigate to the official Tesla website and locate the Model Y configurator. You'll begin by choosing between the available trims, like the long range or performance variants, each offering distinct features and capabilities. Next, personalize your vehicle by selecting from a range of exterior paint colors, wheel designs, and interior finishes to match your style. This initial step sets the foundation for your custom Model Y. Once you've selected your trim, it's time to dive into personalization. You can pick from 5 distinct exterior paint colors, with pearl white multi-coat being a popular choice. For wheels, you have the option of the 19-inch Gemini wheels or the sportier 20-inch induction wheels. Inside, choose between a sleek all-black or a modern black and white interior. Don't forget to explore the full self-driving capability, which adds advanced driver assistance features for enhanced convenience on the road. After customizing your Model Y, the next crucial step is to thoroughly review your order. Double-check all your selections, from the trim and colors to any added features, ensuring everything is exactly as you desire. Pay close attention to the total estimated price and the projected delivery window. To finalize your order, you will place a non-refundable order fee, which is typically $250. Tesla also provides various financing and leasing options to help make your purchase seamless and affordable. As your delivery date approaches, there are a few final preparations. Consider installing a Tesla wall connector or NEMA adapter at home for convenient charging. Ensure all necessary payment and financing documents are completed well in advance. You will then schedule your delivery appointment, either at a local Tesla delivery center or, in some regions, directly to your home. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Tesla app, which allows you to remotely control and monitor your new Model Y, enhancing your ownership experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.